What's going on, everybody? Thanks for stopping back by the channel today. My name is William and you've tuned in to W&W Mods. Today it'll be a little unboxing video. A little unboxing video for the Camaro SS 2019. Guys, I've debated for a while on whether to order this product or not, so I finally pulled the trigger and decided to do it. But I'm either gonna like it, I'm either gonna love it or I'm gonna hate it. I'm not sure which yet. So we're gonna get it unboxed. I'm gonna show it to you guys, and I want you to drop some comments down below and say yay, nay, hate it, love it, whatever you feel like. Just give me some input. So with all that being said, guys, it's time to get this open. All right, everybody, this product here comes from American Authority Extreme Online Store. We bought plenty of products from them and been pretty well satisfied with every one of them. So I hope this one is no exception. But you never know. I think I need a new knife blade. You never know what something's going to look like until you really put it on your car. So we're going to see if we can get this box open with these super strong straps that they've put on here. Not exactly sure which end is up, so I guess I'll just pick a side, because it probably really doesn't matter either way. Well, how's this box gonna open? They probably expected you to slide them out. I wanted you guys to see what they were, so I didn't want to slide them out. So there's right there. What have we got here? Some of this lovely tape. You know, I don't know what everybody did without 3M tape. Stuff works wonders. It really does. Where did my knife go? Oh, there it is. All right. See if I can open this without damaging it. Because they kind of tend to be a little bit on the fragile side. As I'll show you later in this video, some damage that I did to the Camaro the other day. Really upset me. So a lot of money and my carelessness ended up tearing something up. But I'm sure I'm not the only one who's done it. So I will say one thing about American Authority. They do wrap their product very well. They don't want it damaged in shipping. All right. Well, guys, what do you think? This is a little bit different style. This style is actually the ZL1 style piece. And it's a little wider in some areas than the one that's on there, and a little thinner in others. But I don't see any flaws in the design. I'm really hoping this will look good, because these are some pretty big pieces. They are carbon fiber, which seems to be which is a theme I'm going with on the car. And well, these must have been just freshly made, because you can still smell the epoxy and everything that they used to put them together. I don't see any damage. Both look good. At least they're screw on and not riveted in. I really wasn't looking to do a rivet. So they look like they're just screws. So that's good. They recommend 2 people installation. Maybe a little drilling involved. Well, it don't look like there's all that much to it. We're going to be installing these bad boys just as soon as possible, and we're going to see if they look better than the black ones we had. Now, as to showing you what I had damaged, here's what I wanted to show you. See, this is busted right here, cracked all the way through, busted. And then if you look right here at the front, it's busted as well. It's broke right there, and you probably can't see it in the light, but this side right here is also broke. And all I did, I wasn't paying attention the other day and pulled into parking space, and they had the raised car stops. Pardon the Camaro, I know she's dirty, but all I did was just roll in and just barely touched it. I mean, I thought I was stopping soon enough. I wasn't paying attention to really what I was doing. I just kind of whipped in really quick, and that's all she took. And I just got this piece. If you just noticed, I mean, if you guys watch my videos, I just got this thing installed. I haven't even had it on probably 2 weeks. And you wouldn't think that, you know, it sticks out that far, but it sticks out far enough. It sticks out farther than this does. And like I say, all I did was tap it, and bam, busted. So, as you can see over in that box right there, we have a replacement. So, we got to put this on, replace this, it's broken, and put these new pieces on. So, you know, after seeing these in person, you know, it's kind of hard to tell on the website. You know, anytime you look at something, it's like trying to buy clothes. You know, you don't always know what something's going to look like, but I think they actually look pretty good and will look good on the car. But I won't know that, of course, until we get it all set up and get it put on. So that'll be coming in some future videos. But this right here this really upset me right here. I mean, I just can't believe that I did that. And like I say, it I bet I wasn't even going a mile an hour and just bumped it. And I knew when I hit it that was going to be the case, because carbon fiber, even though it looks really good, it's like fiberglass, and it will bust very easily. So anyway, guys, with that, looks like I got my work cut out for me. Well, guys, I guess this is going to bring this particular video to a close. Looks like I've got a lot of work to do. I've got to slide this stuff over to the side there, because my luck, I'd walk into the garage and step on it and bust it. You know, I do enough damage as it is. So, but as you can see, we've got quite a bit to do on the Camaro. We've got to replace the front splitter that I broke with the one back there in the back. And then we've got these two new carbon fiber pieces, the Z01 side molding to go on the bottom of the car on the sides. I'm trying to go with the Z01 body style on my Camaro, because I really, you know, it doesn't have the Z01 engine, I know that, but I really like the ground effects and everything that the Z01 comes with. So I want to try to make my SS as close to that as possible. So that's the idea with everything that we're doing. Guys, please drop me some comments down below and let me know what you think about the new pieces back there. I think they're going to look good, but like I say, you won't know till you actually get them on the car. I was tired of the black ones that are on there, and like I said, they're not the Z01 style. I'm trying to get that uniform all the way around the car, because we went with the Z01 rear spoiler and got the Z01 front splitter. So we're trying to get it equal, front, back. Might as well do the sides. So guys, like I say, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you like what you see. Hit that notification bell, let you know when we put up new content. And please stay tuned for our next couple of videos, and you'll see the installation of the new products. We may even do one of taking the busted splitter off and replacing it with the new one back there. So guys, we're gonna call it a night. I'm gonna get this stuff cleaned up so I don't trip over it and break something next time I'm in the garage. So with all that being said, appreciate you watching, and we will see you on the next one.